Good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Evelyn Fernandez, 44 years old. I am single parent and I have one children. He is now 20 years old. I've been working in Hong Kong for 14 years. I have 3 employers. My first employer, I worked for them for 10 years. And there are 4 members in the family. 2 children. I can take care of them, like I bring them to the school and also to their activities. I can also do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, going to the market, and especially cooking like Chinese food, Western food. My second employer, I worked for them for 3 years. They are elderly couple. And also, I experienced cleaning, ironing, going to the market, cooking for the Chinese food, especially dinner. And they have pets like dog, turtle, and bird. So I take care also for them. My third employer is a couple and we have a newborn baby. I can also do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, go to the market, cooking also their dishes every night. Hello, ma'am and sir. If you consider to hire me, I am humble and honestly and hardworking person. Thank you and God bless.